What are you looking to get?
Oh, I can't tell you what I want to pay. You'd hang up the phone. You need to tell me what your asking rate is.
Well, you would have to make an offer because how would the landlord know how to respond to what your inquiry is?
Wait. So you don't offer rates of rent to lease your space?
No, we do.
Okay, so what's your rate of rent?
Hello?
I'm looking for Robert.
Hello? Yes, who's calling?
Yeah, this is Danny. Robert, I'm interested in leasing some space in.
Oh, okay. Sure. How can I help you?
That's the spot I'm interested in.
Okay. What do you looking to do?
I'm in the coin laundry business, Robert. I own 36 coin laundromats in mostly California, New Mexico,
Okay.
Arizona. If we can do a 15-year lease at a reasonable rate, we'll spend $500,000 on equipment and give you a rent check.
Well, okay, that sounds good.
It is good.
He was good. He was very, very good.
Is the size what you're looking for? Around 2044?
Robert, you're going back to the old playbook. What business is he in? Is this the proper footprint? Dude, this is a laundry. It was a laundry. I wouldn't call you unless it was the proper footprint. All the equipment has been removed, which is fine. It's junk. Someone failed.
Yeah.
I'm after gas, water, electric. The infrastructure is here. You likely need to lower your sights a little bit because the rent that I can pay in a laundromat is very different from just about any other business. So if we can cut to what that rate is on a 15-year term, maybe we'll do some business.
What are you looking to get?
Oh, I can't tell you what I want to pay. You'd hang up the phone. You need to tell me what your asking rate is.
Well, you would have to make an offer because how would the landlord know how to respond to what your inquiry is?
Wait. So you don't offer rates of rent to lease your space?
No, we do.
Okay, so what's your rate of rent?
$2 per square feet.
Okay, there we go. So $2 a square foot, $24 per year. What I can do is 12, which is half that, depending on your triple nets. And here's why. I'm happy to explain. Next door, you might have a pizza shop, right? And I don't know anything about pizza. I know how to eat it. Family recipe, everything else, right? Food, service, atmosphere. They don't have to spend $500,000 to get that place running. They have grandma's recipe. Across the street, there's a nail salon. They have 57 cousins that can go in there and work. Different thing. I needed.
Well, you're a smart man, right? The landlord is a seasoned veteran as well. So, you don't have to necessarily outline why you need to have it at that rate.
I was just talking to you, Robert.
No, that's good.
The landlord's a veteran of which branch?
What do you mean branch?
Seasoned veteran. I was Navy myself.
I was talking about veteran of being in a real estate business. I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm not in the real estate business. I'm in the laundromat business.
Let me look at this. You want to offer a $12 per year per square foot on that space, plus the triple net for a 15-year lease. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. Let me ask you, is there any interested in purchasing the property?
Not now.
Okay. All right.
For obvious reasons, I am not currently doing so. However, we might be the ones to help him to sell that property because in a year he's going to have a bright, shiny, beautiful laundromat. And obviously, rarely do
Yeah.
landlords want to operate them? I mean, there's a lot of ifs and whats and who's and buts to come here, but I'm always after infrastructure. I see that it is here. The footprint is good. I don't fall in love with these spaces until I'm bleeding ink or losing money. If we move forward, what type of rent abatement can you offer me on this spot? Because I can't get this equipment in there overnight. I wish I could.
Well, everything is relevant to the total package of the offer is. Depending on what you're looking for in terms of rent, certain abatement, TI could be offered. If you're just looking for dirt cheap rent, obviously the landlord has to calculate into that.
Okay. What's your
total
email
package,
address, Robert? I'll send you an LOI. Give me a day. What's your email?
At gmail.com. Yeah, send me your LOI and any type of your portfolio in terms of your business,
Nude photos.
any financials. Yeah, any financials,
No,
all
I'm
of
not going
those
to
would
send
help.
financials until we have a deal. All right, I'll CC my partner Edgar as well, and we'll give us a day. We'll send you a thing. Thanks. I do not like that guy at all. I don't like his style. I don't like. Now listen, here's the thing.
You fucking killed it though. That was fucking great, I think.
Oh, well,
No?
thanks.
I thought you did fucking great. Thank you.
Oh, all right.
No?
Dude, I don't sit here and break my arm patting myself on the back. It's just not my thing. But
I know.
the point is, if he had a really, really thick accent, we'd be thinking, oh, okay, the guy grew up overseas. But he did,
Yes, sir.
and he doesn't. He's got a command of the language. The first thing out of the gate, hello? Yeah,
Yes.
Robert, he says, may I ask who's calling? Like, you're a realtor, dude. You don't say, may I ask who's calling? That's not correct. But because he does not have an accent, he's done well. He's a linguist. I'm thrown off a little. I'm like, oh, okay. He's from a different culture. And so everything is he's also not the decision maker. Don't start thinking, oh, this is a slam dunk, because he says, well, our rate of rent's $24. That's $2 a square foot per month. We're halfway. And because I said 12 and he didn't say, ha, no, and slam down the phone, doesn't mean it's going to happen. All right. So it's LOI time. Now, I'm going to send you some information. I'm going to send you an LOI. It doesn't mean that you're getting a lead. Have you done one of these yet?
I have. I've done,
Okay.
I believe, 2.
So you know, it doesn't mean
Yes.
you're getting a store. But this is a store that needs equipment. That's all it needs. Another thing put in the notes, he mentioned TI. I didn't. He did.
I know.
So
that's why I got all excited. I'm like, dude, he's throwing all his cards out on the table. This is great. But like you
he
said,
says,
they're not his cards to throw
I
out.
might be able to do TI. It's like, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Goodbye. Thanks.
Thank you.
Later.
Appreciate it.
That's how we get a free laundromat.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.